to Boy under the Kalaya name and makikita mong image ni Ding Dong and Piolo under the Bello name.
Kung may mali siya, ang pagkaintindi mo sa kanya, pwede siyang maging negative.
Right,
But if
kasi
you
hindi
take
siya-
it as Vicky said it, it's all about who you see on the endorser, as the endorsers in the billboard.
Yung sinabi ni Vicky naman, hindi naman direct insult. It wasn't a direct insult. It was funny. Kaya ako tumatawa nung narinig ko dahil I knew at the very moment she said it, it has now that will be a iconic line for a long, long time. This is going to be a line that a lot of people will remember for years to come. Kaya I think that's why Boy Abunda is so angry, and not just angry, really overreacting to the line. Boy, you're overreacting too much. The crying, and this was not a direct insult. Dapat panindigan mo yung pagiging official endorser or lead endorser or main endorser ni Kalayan. Kung sasabihin ko naman sa inyo, Pia or John, both of you are Kalayan endorsers. If I said, Pia, if you want to look like Pia Guanyo, go to Kalayan, would you be insulted?
Of course not.
Of course not. Bakit? Because you're an endorser.
Yes.
You know that this is what the business is. It's the business of beauty. It's not the business of sapatos. It's not the business of cell phones or coffee. You are selling beauty. Boy Abunda is his agency that he owns, helps market Kalayan, and they market it with him on the face of the company. Why are you crying?
Ako naman, I have a different opinion about it. Ang pagiging isang endorser po, it's not all about being the most gorgeous, the most beautiful, the sexiest. My opinion on the matter is, ang pagiging isang endorser po has everything to do with the fact na credible ka na mag-endorso or magsabi na ang isang produktong ito ay maganda at magaling. And for me, I know that he's our competitor. He's from the competitive show. But I think that Boy Abunda, whether you like it or not, is a pretty credible person.
Correct. That's right.
So
That is.
if he is a Kalayan endorser, I think he could be saying that, I'm credible enough to say Kalayan is good, Kalayan is safe, Kalayan is dependable.
Pero do you agree, or John, kasi medyo mukhang nag-iiwas ka dito, John, nag-overreact ba si Boy?
Alam mo, to be honest, ayoko na mag-comment ko sa issue na yan at alam niyo kung bakit. Pero oo naman, prangkahan na, parang ang plastic ko naman kung hindi ako magko-comment. Yaman din lamang hinihingi mo ang opinion ko, Mo Twister, ibibigay ko sa iyo ng bonggang-bongga. To be honest, nakarelate ako at nakikisimpatya ako kay Tito Boy tungkol sa issue na to.
Okay.
Especially on the part na nabasa ko lang sa PEP. Siyempre, I don't watch naman their show. Nabasa ko lang sa PEP na parang tinawagan siya ng nanay niya at tinanong nung nanay niya kung may atraso ba siya kay Dr. Vicky Bello. Nakarelate ako and I was deeply touched about it because the same thing happened to me last Tuesday, believe it or not. Pero ako mas worse kasi kasama ko ang nanay ko sa bahay. At around 3:30 in the afternoon last Tuesday, kinatok ako ng nanay ko. She was crying. Alam niyo, I'm sure alam to ng lahat ng mga bakla na malapit sa nanay, hindi namin kaya pag nakikita namin yung nanay namin na umiiyak. She was crying, may dala siyang papel at saka ballpen. Apparently, nilibak-libak na naman ako nito ni Jobert sa kanyang radio program regarding this issue na hindi ko alam kung bakit na-connect sa akin. I'm not even friends with Dr. Vicky Bello.
Right. Pero
she's blessed
pero,
me every time I see
pero
her.
yung insulto naman ni Jobert ay insulto talaga.
Precisely my point.
This is a misinterpreted joke.
Invento yung mga binabato sa akin ng mga paratang na walang kakwenta-kwenta. Ang nanay ko tinanong ako, same line. Anak, meron ka bang ginawang kasalanan kay Jobert? Sabi ko, wala. Nag-sorry na sa akin yan with matching kiss and tears pa yan, ha? After nun, hindi na kami nagkita. And yet, eto na naman, last Tuesday, kung ano-ano namang masasakit na salita na invento ang binato sa akin. Which, ang nanay ko ngayon, tinatanong ako, bakit kanya tinitira? Wala akong masagot. Kaya mga kapuso, nangingi po ako ng tulong sa inyo. Meron nung pang nag-uutos kay Jobert o ano sa palagay ninyo ang dahilan, bakit po niya ako nililibak? Text nyo po yung comment ninyo or opinion niyo sa blog ko sa pep.ph or text nyo ako sa Sweet Space on sa 2366. Kasi
Well, you know,
nag-aantay
Vicky-
po ng sagot ang nanay ko para nyo ng awa.
But I
Tulungan
have a
niyo.
question. Was that pertaining to this issue with Vicky Bello also?
Apparently, kinonek niya. Sinulat ng nanay ko, nakakaloka ang nanay ko, di ba? Parang hindi ko nga alam kung saan nanggaling. Pinagbibintangan pa yata ako na ako ang...
Ikaw ang nag-coach.
Ako ang nag-coach. Or ano, I'm not friends. I'm a proud Kalayan endorser, mga kapuso. Ayan. Walang kakurap-kurap kaya ang sasabihin. I'm not friends with Vicky Bello at all. But she's friendly and pleasant towards me every time.
Right,
she
and Boy is friendly and pleasant towards me, but I'm trying to be objective. It was not a direct insult. Endorser siya ng brand na pinag-usapan natin. We didn't say anything negative about it. It was misinterpreted. And Vicky has apologized. If Boy wants me to apologize because tumawa ako, then I'm sorry. But I just feel na sobrang overreacting na yung pagiging negative impact. I think that it was not that difficult of a line.
And on that note, I'd like to thank Dr. Manny and Pai Kalayan.
And I'd like to thank Dr. Vicky Bello.
Yes, me too.
Okay.
That's right.